Welcome to Travel with Suri. World renowned for its 40,000 acres of bright red sandstone, this park contains ancient petrified trees and petroglyphs dating back more than 2000 years. The state park derives its name from red sandstone formations called the Aztec sandstone, which formed from shifting sand dunes 150 million years ago. These features, which are the centerpiece of the park's attraction, often appear to be on fire when reflecting the sun rays. It is just an hour drive from the world entertainment capital Las Vegas. Welcome to the Valley of Fire State Park, Nevada. Just after arriving at the east entrance gate, the famous Elephant Rock will be on the right side of the road. There is a short 0.3-mile trail from the parking lot that will take you up and slightly behind the Elephant Rock for a different vantage point. This is a sort of sandstone formation that cannot be believed by people who have not seen it. Again, this is really not a hike but more of a casual stroll unless you do the loop. Whichever route you take, you should take a camera to capture this unusual rock formation and water, especially during the warmer temperature. Valley of Fire Road is the main road accessing and traversing through the park. This 11-mile section of the road between the east and west entrances of the park was officially designated as a Nevada Scenic Byway. The area is so stunning that it was made Nevada's first state park in 1935. Mustang is a natural basin in the rock where water collects after each rainfall. A half-a-mile round-trip trail leads to Mustang from the trailhead parking area. These are excellent examples of prehistoric petroglyphs on the trail. Mustang has some of the park's best petroglyphs carved into its side more than 50 feet off the ground. These petroglyphs were carved thousands of years ago, which is pretty mind-boggling, especially when you see how clear they still are. There are several pullouts and trailhead parking lots, so you can use your own judgment on where to stop. The Rainbow Vista trailhead is a popular one to stop at to snap some photos. This is a famous spot to take pictures and videos. When you search the Valley of Fire State Park, you will see this image. Complex uplifting and faulting of the region, followed by extensive erosion, have created the present landscape. The rough floor and jagged walls of the park contain brilliant formation of eroded sandstone and sand dunes more than 150 million years old. Other important rock formations include limestones, shales, and conglomerates. Firewave trail hiking is the #1 hiking trail in the park. The trail starts across the road from parking lot number 3. The first part of the trail has deep red sand before you hit some solid rock slopes to make the rest of the hike easier. If you have ever seen photos of the wave in Arizona, the fire wave in Nevada is kind of like a miniature version of that. But the fire wave trail is much shorter and does not require you to enter permit lottery in order to hike it. This is an incredible place. Fire wave has a bowl-shaped depression with a couple rising points covered with wavy lines. If you are not allowed to walk right across the fire wave, you might think the stripes were painted. See the magic for yourself on a fire wave trail, which is 1.5 miles round trip with 175 feet of elevation change. The fire wave showcases amazing sandstone formation eroded by wind and water that resemble an ocean wave with swirling patterns of red, white, and pink sandstone. The different colors of sandstone are due to oxidation of iron, the red colored sandstone, and manganese, the pink colored sandstone, with the presence of silica, and bleaching of the sandstone caused by years of contact with water makes the sandstone white. The last real sight you will see before leaving the west entrance are beehives, a collection of orange rocks, many of which do indeed look like giant beehives. I hope you liked my video. If you like it, please subscribe it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.